What's up guys, it's Kevin from SLEEPERtv, and today Jeremy Cutler, who I went to Hot Import Nights in Orlando in my last video, is hosting his first car show. First, I gotta pass by the post office to send out some merch, so I'll see you guys there. So I'm about 1 mile away from the location of the car meet, and I'm pretty curious on what's going to show up because normally you have a sound ordinance, but in this one, Jeremy was saying that since it's in an industrial area, loud cars and revving shouldn't be a problem. So we'll see what happens.
Industrial zone, man.
What's up?
Rev it.
Oh, rev it?
Industrial zone.
Rev it?
Yeah. I mean, you park in front of a light pole, or if you want, I can put you by the gate.
Is that a Kia Stinger?
Sure is.
Is that a Kia Stinger? Whoa, dude. Whoa. So how do you think the turnout is?
Well, we're only about 50 minutes in, and not bad. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah, not too shabby.
Literally all I did was just, there's actually some cars on the back too, on the side of the building.
Oh really? I didn't even see that.
Well, I want to fill in the front lot and then start filling up the back lot.
This is a really great turnout.
Yeah, I mean, I literally just posted like a couple times.
For your first show.
No, like,
first show.
Explanation or description.
Hey, come out and support this.
Pretty damn good.
But yeah, you want to see Matt's shop?
Yeah. So now we're checking the shop out.
Yeah, I'm the one that gets shafted on that.
Sick. Jeremy, what shows do you plan on doing this year?
Yes.
All right. We got part of my jargon at the meet.
Oh, here comes the Studebaker.
Custom stickers.
It's my buddy has a
available when?
Studebaker, like 1950.
Commission's open. Let me tell you, commission's open. I'm ready.
Link in the bio. Link in the bio.
Hey, yo, subscribe to the SLEEPERtv, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. get a little bit of exhaust action with this Mustang. Okay.
I'm parking next to the SX, but I don't want to go rock.
Jeremy, what's this car again? What was this in?
Oh,
This car.
What
car? This BM.
it's not even that much.
Oh, this is the,
Everyone that makes them.
this is maps. I think it's a BMW.
Oh my god.
I'm not a BMW guy, but this is the 24 Hours of Lemons car. It's a glorified shitbox.
Oh yeah, it's just.
Oh my god.
Well, it's breaking inside.
I don't know if that's picking up in the camera.
Big butt.
Yes.
What is it?
Oh my god. I didn't
Oh,
see
it's
that.
hilarious.
Big
The turnout is pretty insane for his first show. Like, there are a bunch of cars here. The cars still keep rolling in. Like, I think the show started at 3. It's about 4 o'clock now. And as you can see, there's still lots of different cars. I mean, they keep rolling in and rolling out. I'm very excited to see how far this grows. And I'll keep you guys posted.
iPad in it. What is this? A Tesla? Oh Lord. It is now. Yeah, man. This Sleep TV right here, baby.